So this is how you can buy on Vinted. The very first step is obviously opening up the website. So, as you can see, there are a few categories up here: women, men, designer, kids, home, electronics, entertainment, pet care. So, it depends on what you're going to want to buy, but for now, I'm going to do an example of buying men's clothes. Now, the important thing about buying is choosing the most exact thing that you want, and properly searching for it is just as important. So, for example, I want men's vintage clothing. First, we're going to want to tap on men's, and now let's tap on all. So it shows me every kind of clothing there is for men. And now, as you can see at the search bar over here, I'm gonna go ahead and search for vintage. And if we go ahead and scroll down, as you can see, there are a ton of vintage men's clothing. The trick is being very consistent and precise with your search bar so that you can find the perfect match for your desires. So yeah, that is how you can search for the perfect item. Now, how do you actually buy it? Let's go ahead and choose a specific item. Let's say this one. And now we can go ahead and scroll down and then buy now. Or you can even make an offer for maybe, less than the amount that they're selling it for. But let's just say you want to buy it now. And here we are. You can go ahead and scroll down and add a payment method over here, and then choose whatever payment method you want, and then add your bank details, and you'll be good to go. Once you do that, you can go ahead and simply add your address. And once you're done with that, you can tap on this green pay button and you will be good to go. The order will be paid for, the order will be paid for, and then you will receive your order within days. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.